Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. So first, we need to create about the factor divided by s squared plus 2. So we need to have 2s to the power of 2 in here. Later that we need to minus about 2s squared. So I will put negative number 4 going here. Next, this one we can do about factorization. This one we can do another factorization. So this one divided by this one and this one divided by this one. So we have s squared minus 2 plus s over s squared plus 2. And now we have the final answer. The integration of s squared, we have s to the power of 3 over 3. The integration of number 2, we have 2s. And we have the integration of ds. Now I will concentrate about this one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s squared plus 2. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides. So we have 2s ds. Later that, because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. S ds we change by du over number 2. The integration of this one, we will have about 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of u. And we put about c. About u, that is about this one. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.